Hi there. Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to connect Google Meet with GoHighLevel. Let's dive right into the core of this topic. If you've ever found yourself juggling between multiple platforms just to manage your meeting links and schedules, you'll understand the hassle it can be. But what if I told you that by connecting Google Meet with GoHighLevel, you can automate this process? By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your appointments booked through GoHighLevel automatically include Google Meet links. This means that both you and your clients can join meetings with just a single click, simplifying your workflow immensely. To get started, the first step is to open your GoHighLevel dashboard. On the left sidebar, you'll find an option labeled Calendars. This is essentially your hub for all things related to scheduling and conferencing. Once you're in the Calendars section, look for the Calendar settings. Think of this area as your command center. This is where you can control how your calendars operate and define what external services they connect with. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Connections area. This is a crucial step as it's where you link external services such as Google. By doing this, GoHighLevel gets the capability to create meeting links directly inside your appointments. Inside the Connection section, look for Video Conferencing. This will refine your options to only those tools that are specifically made for generating meeting rooms for your scheduled events. Now, click on Add New. What you're doing here is starting a brand new connection that will enable GoHighLevel to create Google Meet links seamlessly. From this point, select Connect Google Calendar. It's important to note that within GoHighLevel, Google Meet is activated through your Google Calendar connection. There isn't a separate button specifically for Google Meet, so this is indeed the right choice. When prompted, a Google sign-in window will appear. Here, make sure to choose the Google account you regularly use for your professional calendar. In case your browser has pop-up blockers, remember to allow them temporarily, just so you can complete the sign-in process smoothly. You'll need to grant several permissions, including those required for managing your calendars. These permissions are essential because they allow GoHighLevel to automatically generate and attach Google Meet links to any new bookings you make. After you've authorized everything, you'll be taken back to GoHighLevel. Here, you should see Google listed under Video Conferencing with a status showing as Connected. If you happen to see it still marked as pending, simply refresh the page and ensure you're signed into the correct Google account in your browser. Here are a few additional tips to round things out. If you manage multiple calendars under the same Google account, make sure you set the correct calendar as your booking destination within your calendar settings. This ensures the Google Meet links appear where you expect them to. If you ever decide to switch the Google account you use, disconnect the old account from the Connections area and repeat this entire process with the new account to avoid any mix-ups. And remember, the permissions you've accepted are essential. Limiting them could prevent Google Meet links from being generated properly. From now on, any new appointment you create through your GoHighLevel calendars will automatically have a Google Meet link included in the event details and notifications. This not only saves you time, but also eliminates the need for you to manually copy and paste meeting links. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to connect Google Meet with GoHighLevel. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this.